ये है टीवी 18 और आप देख रहे हैं CNBC आवाज।
Presented by Sona Group, driving tomorrow. Funding and incubation partner will grow innovations. Knowledge partner Innovation Alchemy. Magazine partner Money Life.
मास्टरप्रेन्योर सीजन 2 के सेमीफाइनल राउंड का मुकाबला काफी कड़ा है और हमारी जूरी काफी असमंजस में है कि आगे कौन निकलेगा। क्या हमारे अगले कंटेस्टेंट इस असमंजस को दूर कर पाएंगे? आइए देख लेते हैं।
The business leader had a mandate to say that I need something that can be really innovative, something that can energize the team, at the same time get them to understand that changes are inevitable and how do they deal with it as they go along in their professional lives. They were asked to cook a 3-course meal at the studio, so they had to go buy the ingredients. They came back, there was some briefing that was done. There were a lot of changes that were introduced along the way. The interesting part was that at the end of 2.5 hours, all of them were very highly energized, engaged, and had cooked a marvelous meal. They had come together as colleagues, went back as a very closely bonded team and well-knit as an organization. I present to you Something's Cooking Culinary Arts.
So you don't have competitors as of now?
We have competition in the form of traditional training methodologies. We have competition in the form of traditional outbound approaches, right? But using culinary platform for learning and development, or for team bonding, or for consumer engagement,
so for those conventional players, what is the entry barrier you have created so that they cannot enter while you are scaling up?
What I'm trying to do is build a network of alliances around the organization so that when we scale, we have these
kind of... So it's a relationship as a secret recipe you are creating? Relationship
as a secret recipe, the IP, the way we are creating...
IP around where?
IP around the way the programs get executed.
Do you have examples of organizations in professional training that have scaled?
Yes, I do.
And what are lessons from that you're embedding in your business?
Right. So you do have international firms which, when you look at companies like DDI, Development Dimensions International, or PDI, who have reached the scale not just in their own country but globally. Right? The primary thing that they have done is to create an IP that they can use to replicate in various organizations, and to some extent that's what our idea is as well.
What are your revenue models?
Ours is predominantly a B2B function, so we use it as for employee bonding and for learning and development. We do cooking classes where we've got we're working with food companies where we want to do consumer engagement programs, so that's another revenue model. Potentially we're looking at using cooking as a life skills for school children as well as for MBA graduates, so that's another revenue model.
India is blessed with a very dense belt of forest land, and it is a source of several species of flowers that have huge sources of honey. So again we come into picture, we train the tribals that inhabit those areas in beekeeping techniques in such a way that they can climb on the tree, the honeycomb which is there, they can capture the honey from that comb without themselves getting hurt and without hurting the bees also. So the economic status of those Adivasis increases because of sale of honey to us. Another output of this entire process is that we get honeys gathered from various sources. So that Nilgiri honey is honey gathered only from the flower of Nilgiri. It is not a flavored honey. Lychee honey is honey gathered only from the flowers of lychee.
जब आप फ्लेवर लीची बोलते हैं तो लीची फ्लेवर कैसे लाते हैं इसमें हनी के अंदर?
I'll tell you two things. So the honeybee has a flight of 1 kilometer or 1.5 kilometer radius. Okay, it cannot go beyond 1.5 kilometer radius.
Okay.
So the bee boxes are placed only in the place where there are lychee trees or eucalyptus trees in that area. Okay, so that is one source from which we get. Secondly, if you see this under the microscope, you would find only lychee ka pollens in that honey.
तो ये आप प्रोडक्ट दूसरे हनी मैन्युफैक्चरर्स को भी बेचते हो कि सिर्फ अपने ब्रांड में बेचते हो?
नहीं, हम लोग खुद ही हमारा ब्रांड करके बेच रहे हैं।
सिर्फ अपने ब्रांड में। और जो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स आप क्रिएट करते हो, वो सिर्फ आपको बेच सकते हैं कि बाहर भी बेच सकते हैं दूसरे?
तो अभी मेरा बहुत छोटा सा नेटवर्क है, बहुत बड़ा नहीं है। हम लोग एक्चुअली खुद का नेटवर्क ग्रो करने से अच्छा एक मॉडल ये है कि ऑलरेडी कुछ सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स या एनजीओज कर रहे हैं, उनके साथ हम लोग टाई अप कर रहे हैं और उनसे प्रोक्योर करके हम खुद उसको बेच रहे हैं.
Initially, we just started small by providing solar lighting products for homes. And then over the years, we have developed a full range of innovative solutions such as microgrids for village electrification, solar-powered computers, micro-cold storage. And we deployed these solutions with our business model of setting up different renewable energy centers.
I have seen too many solar
Yes.
enterprises
Yes.
mushrooming all over the place,
right.
but none of them have succeeded.
Absolutely.
Can you tell me what could potentially be the reason that they have failed repeatedly?
Right.
And what is it that you will be doing that will be different and not make the same mistake?
Technology is not so much of a barrier currently in solar products. It's more on reaching the last mile effectively in a cost-effective way and also being able to provide the after-sale service. And that's what has been our core competence, to develop a very strong last mile network. We are operating in close to 1,500 villages. Through our renewable energy centers, have a network of rural entrepreneurs that are catering, and we've already reached, we have provided our solar solutions to more than 40,000 households. Okay.
Piyush, what's your experience on the payback of all these microfinance and bank loans on your products?
Payback.
What are the delinquencies on that?
We are very proud to say that the payback is more than 95%.
So when you get to 100 crores in revenue, जब आप पहुंच जाएंगे, तो आपको कितना बॉटम लाइन क्या दिखती है अपने बिजनेस में, प्रॉफिट क्या दिखती है?
हम तब इन द नेक्स्ट 5 years हम देखते हैं हमारा बॉटम लाइन वुड बी बिटवीन 4 to 5% हमारा नेट मार्जिन रहेगा.
आप देखेंगे अभी प्री स्कूल सेगमेंट जो है उसका पेनिट्रेशन भी बहुत कम है. इंडिया में अराउंड 2% किड्स ही हैं ऐसे जो भी प्री स्कूल जाते हैं, बाकी पूरा 98% अभी प्री स्कूल नहीं जा रहे हैं लोग. व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड हमें 0 से 10 स्टूडेंट्स होने में 8 महीने लगे, 11 से 20 होने में 1 महीना लगा, 21 से 30 होने में 20 दिन लगे, 31 से 40 होने में 8 दिन लगे, 41 से 50 होने में 3 दिन लगे और 51 से 60 होने में 4 दिन और लगे.
यूनिकनेस क्या है, क्योंकि ये बच्चों इस एज में बहुत इम्प्रेशनेबल एज में है, तो आप क्या टेक्नोलॉजी इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हो जो यूनिक है इन दिस प्री स्कूल?
देयर आर मेनी इनोवेटिव एक्टिविटीज जो हमने डिजाइन कर रखी है. हमारा लेसन प्लान वेल डिफाइंड है सारे टीचर्स के लिए, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द लेसन प्लान वो सारी चीजें चल रही हैं. इट इज स्टैंडर्डाइज अक्रॉस ऑल द 4 ब्रांचेस वी हैव.
आपकी ये जो डिजाइन है, मॉड्यूल्स हैं, इसकी कॉपीराइट आपके पास है या कोई भी कॉपी कर सकता है?
इट इज एन ओपन सोर्स, लाइक हमें ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है कि कोई कॉपी कर रहे हैं.
बिकॉज डिफरेंशिएटर क्या बिल्ड कर रहे हैं आप अपना?
नहीं, डिफरेंशिएटर देखिए ऐसा नहीं होता कि एक्टिविटीज दुनिया में कोई हम अनोखी नहीं कर रहे हैं. एजुकेशन इतनी सबसे पुरानी चीज है दुनिया में.
सवाल संजय जी का था कि डिफरेंशिएटर आपने क्या बिल्ड किया है, क्या अनोखा है, क्या यूनिक है आपके मॉडल के अंदर, वो हम लोग शायद जानना चाहेंगे.
यूनिक एसेंस लाइक हमेशा जैसे एजुकेशन में जो है डिसरप्टिव इनोवेशन के लिए उतना स्कोप नहीं है. इट्स ओनली अबाउट इम्प्लीमेंटेशन. हम लोग इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान दे रहे हैं.
Vana Nomads is an intrepid offbeat travel company that organizes handcrafted bespoke travel weekenders around Bangalore primarily, and we do longer trips around the Trans-Himalayan region. And
if I were to Google a few words on travel to find you, what should it be going forward? What's your aspiration in terms of what kind of company do you want to be known as?
Our aspiration is, well, not offbeat travel. Googling has a whole other mathematics happening with it. You know, people spend.
Forget that.
Position you want?
What we want to be known as is anybody types intrepid travel, offbeat travel, alternate travel in India, we want to pop up.
The problem with your model is that it's so dependent on you. The reason you're not bigger in Bangalore, the reason you're not in Bombay, Mumbai, Calcutta and Delhi is because it is difficult to find you. And therefore this will potentially always remain just a small, very exclusive, very enjoyable lifestyle business for you, but will never become a big scalable idea that captures these keywords the way in which you want it.
What we need is not a person that can be hired and put on a job. Who we need is a traveler with a passion for travel. That's all we need, and it's not very difficult to find.
If you have to scale up, आप खुद अपनी टीम भेजेंगे बिकॉज इसमें नो हाउ चाहिए होता है बिजनेस का, या फ्रेंचाइजी मॉडल करेंगे?
No franchise for sure.
अगर आप खुद करेंगे तो आप अपने क्लोन्स कैसे बनाएंगे?
We would rather prefer scaling up with hands-on experience and then letting people take care of things by themselves.
आप जैसे कोई इस नोमैड के निर्वाणा सफर पर जाना चाहेगा?
मैं मेंटर
जाना चाहेंगे.
I'd be happy to mentor. I'd be happy to go on a trip.
निवेश करना चाहेगा?
मेंटरिंग के रिजल्ट्स के बाद हम लोग डिसाइड कर लेंगे इस चीज को.
मेंटोर करने के लिए
मैं थोड़ा I want to get deeper into
Yeah.
it because there are a few grey areas still for me.
How many people are actually required by law
Right.
to be certified in a vocational job?
We are into the space of civilian drones.
Have any idea about what is the Chinese import in this space? How many drones get imported every year?
Enjoy the power of your choices, for you will miss them when you're no longer young. A six-pack doesn't make you strong. Having the power of conviction does. So do what you like and like what you do. And make sure your belly shakes every time you laugh. You were born to be happy, and you will find it in the unlikeliest of places. Remember, there will always be someone who will love you more than you can imagine. Respect talent, whatever the age. And even if you have none, you're still perfect. There's only one life, one world.
And you can make it better with the choices you make. A better life, a better world.
Panasonic.
Perfect.
He can do anything.
Can you swivel 180 degrees?
So, are you tough? Unbreakable?
What do we do with something perfect? We try hard to make it even better. Unreasonable? Well, that's the only way we know to make products that delight you. Powered by 4th generation Intel Core processors.
क्या मेक इन इंडिया का मंत्र देगा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर को एक नई उम्मीद? देखिए CNBC आवाज पर AB रवि की इंडस्ट्री के जाने माने लोगों के साथ एक खास मुलाकात और जानिए कि कैसे मिल सकती है देश के मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर को एक नई दिशा। EPC इंडिया पेश करते हैं CXO फोरम इन वक्त पर सिर्फ CNBC आवाज पर।
We've been in business now for almost 2 years and in the vocational business, and what we have seen is the assessment business for assessment fee ranges from 200 to 1000 rupees. So if I take even the lower half as an average of 400 and even multiplied by half of the people who should get certified, that is 250 million, we are looking at a 10,000 crore opportunity.
How many people are actually required by law to be certified in a vocational job?
No, to be required by law, it is not yet there. So what government has done is it has now put up a framework through which is called National Vocational Education Framework, which is now providing the platform wherein the guys can get skilled. We as
consumer ज्यादातर कौन है और कौन आपको पैसा देता है?
हाँ, तो अभी तो हमने we started with government continues to be our major customer.
So government must be then paying multiple vendors to do such certification.
Right. They are paying, but in the vocational space there are not much vendors.
Have you ever thought of entering in the private sector?
Yeah, I'm talking about this private sector only, this corporate.
And when you're thinking to enter in the private sector, what are the top 3 challenges you find vis-a-vis the government sector?
So for us, we are new. There's no brand name. They will ask Navriti who. The second is that even for them, the corporate, the training and the entire thing is evolving. So they are also not clear what role a certification will play.
So we have a challenge of kind of explaining to them the efficacy of a third party assessment. And the third is like any corporate. If I go, the challenge is in any B2B deal, it takes a lot of time, and and especially when things are new, it requires a lot of time to convince them.
We are into the space of civilian drones, and we are a product-ready company who are willing to, who have ambitions to move on to the global level, because we see a significant opportunity in our product, that is the core product, that is the control system for drones, being a very unique product in terms of the civilian drone application and civilian drone technology that is evolving today.
Any reason why you continuously mention the civil market? Is there any reason you're restricted to that market alone? Or?
The reason why we are talking about the civilian sector is because we find traction, we find a unique selling USP as the low price factor, which is something which will get civilians to start using.
You must have heard a lot of these reports circulating about e-commerce companies delivering using drones. Have you looked at that segment as a possible
urban perspective? An e-commerce company talking about delivery through drones, I think is a little too premature. Essentially because you don't have the environment. You need my drone today with a GPS can understand where it is, but it needs to get a reference to understand where it is in relation to an obstacle that could come or another drone that is flying.
What's your target time to come in the market with the finished product?
We are already in discussion with our film industry partners and for launching the consumer drone. Because our strategy is going to be for the consumer drone is going to be we're going to go either by OEM supplies or contract manufacturing.
Do you have any idea about what is the Chinese import in this space? How many drones get imported every year?
It's in the last 6 months, the Chinese drone of DJI Phantom, which is a small white one most of you all have seen all over the place. Now that is somewhere in the region of about 500 to 600 numbers in the last 6 months.
मेरा सवाल यही है कि क्या आप में से कोई इस लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी पर दाव लगाने को इस समय तैयार है?
I can take the mentoring.
I would like to look at, I'd like to look at the opportunity of funding, not funding in that sense, but looking at an alliance with him and looking at how we can grow the business through acquisition of funds.
We created a platform which is now helping 800 hoteliers, 1,000 travel agents, and we have recently started a corporate division. So we have signed up with 4 or 5 corporates with them.
So are you an aggregator of the guest houses all over the country?
No, we are not aggregating them. We are a technology facilitator.
If I go to a kayak or I go to any of these, I see hotel inventory,
You
I see so many rooms left and all of that stuff. So I'm sure that's real time connected with the hotel's inventory, isn't
So
it?
if you are going to that kayak or any other website, you are going there as a customer or are you going there as a travel agent?
What difference does it make? The travel agent actually
There
is
a
irrelevant to
difference.
this
There is
process.
a difference. If I go there if I go on Make My Trip and book a hotel, I am losing on that commission, which I could definitely grab from that hotel if I go there directly.
Who is you? The travel
I'm a
agent?
travel agent.
So the online websites have disintermediated the travel agent. We all know that. The travel
So we
agent.
are trying to solve that problem.
So you're only working with travel agents?
We are working with travel agents, we are working with hotels, and we are creating a demand through the B2B players. Like we have a solution for
Why are you
corporate.
creating a product for an animal that is a dinosaur that's going into extinction very soon, which is the travel agent? There's no role to play in this whole system, which is why they are getting disintermediated.
No, actually, it's not the truth. When you talk about the travel agent, see, if I need a hotel in Jaipur or if I need a hotel in Nainital, can Make My Trip help me?
Why not?
Why not?
It is.
We have branded the world's first Pani Puri brand. The patent is also with us. That is called Gapagap. And we have got 112 flavors in Pani Puri. We also have various innovations done like cheese garlic Gapagap, Maggi Gapagap, chocolate Gapagap,
cheese, mayo, gapagap, because innovation was one thing that was missing. In spite of having the huge demand, the street vendor used to add his secret sauce by dipping his hand inside the water to make it more spicy. So I thought it has to change. I mean, since it is the highest selling product and still no innovation being done, so I thought let's do it this way. But Pani Puri only is not operationally viable. So we've added the entire Indian street food on a platter and started franchising it by the name of Chatar Patar.
फ्रेंचाइज कितने स्टोर्स हैं, अपने कितने स्टोर्स हैं?
So everything is franchise as of now. We have got 48 stores in 15 states.
So how do you franchise a store without having your own store?
I've heard this is again a masterpreneur. You pitch the idea before actually product is there.
You don't know the pains of running this, of selling this product on a daily basis.
No, but
how are you franchising?
No, we are doing it for 3 months. We have already done it for 3 months.
Is not enough.
You didn't run your own store. So how do you know your franchisee is doing things the right way? How can you inspect that if you've never run one yourself?
Because we would be training them for everything, first thing. And second thing is, all the products that we send is already a pre-processed product. So for example, when I say pav bhaji, like
are Mumbai, your franchisees making money?
Yeah.
What is
that's how we are growing.
What is their ROI?
If you talk about Mumbai, the rent is 35,000 and he's making close to 80,000 rupees per month. We have store in Borivali.
How much did he invest in the business?
8 lakh rupees.
Fuel, an organization which works with 2,500 schools and 700,000 students, has been doing this activity of career counseling from last 6 years.
बच्चे की जो इच्छा है वो आप दबा के उसको 8वीं कक्षा में उसको बता देंगे कि आप तो इंजीनियर बन ही नहीं सकते, आपको आर्टिस्ट बनना पड़ेगा।
इस सेक्टर में एक चीज की कमी है, वन स्टॉप शॉप नहीं है साइकिल रिक्शा का कहीं भी। जैसे कि ड्राइवर अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड है, उस तरह का मार्केट भी अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड है।
Thank you, India, for uncompromising. The Elite i20 is the Indian Car of the Year 2015. Hyundai.
Chetmani ornaments, gold, diamond, kundan और antique jewelry का अनमोल collection.
ध्रुव, दुनिया का पहला फीचर फोन, फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप, ट्विटर और वायरलेस एफएम, लंबी बैटरी लाइफ और पावरफुल टॉर्च के साथ सिर्फ 999 रुपए में। ध्रुव फ्रॉम नुसामा।
मोदी गवर्नमेंट ने एक विजन लिया है कि 2022 तक सभी को घर मिल जाए। आज घरों का जो रिक्वायरमेंट है करीब 28 मिलियन है और 2022 तक करीब 110 मिलियन घरों की आवश्यकता होगी। तो उसी का एक हम इनिशिएटिव करने जा रहे हैं कि इतना बड़ा एक प्रोजेक्ट, इतना बड़ा एक इनिशिएटिव लिया है कि जहां पर हम अपने उस विजन को पूरा करेंगे।
Fuel, an organization which works with 2,500 schools and 700,000 students, has been doing this activity of career counseling from last 6 years.
So give us a example of the concrete work that you do. आप करते क्या हैं स्टूडेंट्स के लिए?
हमारी प्रोसेस जो है जिसमें हम करियर ओरिएंटेशन करते हैं पहले स्टैंडर्ड 8th में, जो 3 घंटे की होती है। उसके बाद हम एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट लेते हैं स्टैंडर्ड 9th में, जिसमें पर्सनालिटी, इंटरेस्ट और करियर के बारे में उनको रिकमेंडेशंस दी जाती हैं। उसके बाद उनके साथ 1-on-1 काउंसलिंग होती है साइकोलॉजिस्ट थ्रू। उसके बाद उन्हें एक मैप दिया जाता है कि आपको इस तरह से आपके करियर में आगे बढ़ना है और उस ऊपर से उनको एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स और स्कॉलरशिप्स के अलर्ट्स दिए जाते हैं।
तो आप अभी कितने बच्चों को ऑन एन एवरेज पिछले 1 साल में आपने कितने बच्चों को टच किया है इस प्रोग्राम के तहत?
सर पिछले साल हमने 1,39,000 स्टूडेंट्स को रीच किया है।
ये करियर काउंसलिंग के कॉन्सेप्ट से मुझे थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है कि एक बच्चे की जो इच्छा है वो आप दबा के उसको 8वीं कक्षा में उसको बता देंगे कि आप तो इंजीनियर बन ही नहीं सकते, आपको आर्टिस्ट बनना पड़ेगा या वाइस वर्सा। तो इसके बारे में आपका क्या राय है?
हम कभी उन्हें ऐसे ऑप्शंस नहीं देते कि जो वो नहीं करने चाहिए। हम तो एक इंडिकेटर देते हैं कि दिस आर द पॉसिबल ऑप्शंस, दिस एक्ट्स एज एन एलिमिनेशन। हमारे 1-on-1 काउंसलिंग में ये कोशिश होती है कि उसके विसिनिटी में उसके फाइनेंशियल कंस्ट्रेंट के हिसाब से उसको पॉसिबल 3-4 अल्टरनेटिव्स बताया जाए।
SMV व्हील्स 2010 में रजिस्टर्ड हुई उसका एक प्लेटफॉर्म की तरह सर्व करने के लिए इन साइकिल रिक्शा चालकों को, जिसमें हम लोग बेसिकली 3 चीज से फोकस करके शुरू किए। एक, इनका पेन पॉइंट को कम करना है, बेटर डिजाइन साइकिल रिक्शाज बनाना, और इनको ऑनर देना, ऑनरशिप देना। इनको हम लोग मालिक बनाते हैं 300 रुपये प्रति हफ्ता के हिसाब से 1 साल के अंदर।
आप ये शेयर करते हो?
जी, रेवेन्यू शेयर करते हैं हम लोग रिक्शा चालक से। जी,
शेयर करते हो।
40-60 का जो है रेशियो होता है।
साइकिल को इम्प्रूवमेंट करने की
जी
इनोवेशन कर रहे हो, वो कहाँ कर रहे हो?
जी देखिए, इसमें हम लोगों ने डेल्थ यूनिवर्सिटी नीदरलैंड से टाई अप किया है। उसके बाद IIT BHU हमारे साथ काम कर रहा है। एक ऑस्ट्रिच मोबिलिटी नाम की कंपनी है बेंगलोर में, वो लोग भी हमारे लिए इस पे टेक्नोलॉजी पे काम कर रहे हैं।
एक रिक्शा चालक जो है आपके, इनको डेली इनकम कितनी रहती है और कितना किलोमीटर ये चलना पड़ता है एक दिन?
जी, करीब इनकम इनकी 300 रुपए की होती है एवरेज एक दिन की, और लगभग 60 से 80 किलोमीटर ये लोग चलाते हैं प्रतिदिन।
इलेक्ट्रिक रिक्शाज भी कहीं कहीं आप?
जी, उसमें हम लोग स्लो ट्रांजिशन ले रहे हैं सर। देखिए, उसमें क्या होता है कि हम लोगों ने अनुभव किया कम्युनिटी के साथ, जब काम किए, इलेक्ट्रिक रिक्शाज भी लेकर आए, तो बिल्कुल एलियन प्रोडक्ट इनके हाथ में तुरंत दे देने से वो कंफर्टेबल नहीं है उसके साथ।
आपका बड़ा विजन क्या है इस रिक्शा के अलावा? क्या कंपनी बनाएंगे 5 साल में? आप कहाँ पर रहेंगे?
जी, बड़ा विजन हमारा ये है कि कम से कम 10% मार्केट को टैप करें अगले 10 साल में। और इसके बाद सर इस सेक्टर में एक चीज की कमी है, वन स्टॉप शॉप नहीं है साइकिल रिक्शा का कहीं भी। जैसे कि ड्राइवर अनऑर्गनाइज्ड है, उस तरह का मार्केट भी अनऑर्गनाइज्ड है। तो उसमें एंट्री पॉइंट हम देख रहे हैं सर कि एक बड़ा एंट्री पॉइंट आगे फ्यूचर के लिए। जी,
यूपी से बाहर अगर आपको निकल के स्केलेबिलिटी करनी है इसकी,
जी,
तो कौन सा प्रदेश होगा, कौन सा शहर होगा?
जी,
और क्यों होगा ऐसा?
जी, हमारा मानक ये है कि कम से कम रजिस्टर्ड रिक्शा जिस शहर में 10,000 हो, नगर निगम के पास डेटा, उस शहर में हम लोग जाएंगे।
तो एक बहुत ही लंबे दिन के बाद 23 एंटरप्रेन्योर्स की पिच सुनकर हमारी जूरी ने मन बना लिया है कि अगले राउंड तक कौन जाएगा, जो हमारा फाइनल राउंड है। और ये जो भी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स अगले राउंड तक पहुंच रहे हैं, वो सिर्फ एक कदम दूर है मास्टरप्रेन्योर के खिताब से। तो सबसे पहले कांग्रेचुलेशंस आप सभी को यहां तक पहुंचने के लिए। इरादा था सिर्फ 5 एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को आगे ले जाने का, लेकिन आप सभी ने हमें कंपेल किया है कि हम 6 एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को फाइनल तक ले जाएंगे। जो लोग हमारे साथ अब फाइनल राउंड में जुड़ने वाले हैं, इन नो पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर: मुकुंद, रिन्यू IT; संकेत, एक्सट्रीम मीडिया; प्रिंस, धर्मवीर; नवीन, SMV व्हील्स; सतीश, समथिंग्स कुकिंग; and finally Sai Aerotech. So congratulations and see you at the final. All the best. Thank you.
Presented by Sona Group, driving tomorrow. Funding and incubation partner Will Grow Innovations. Knowledge partner Innovation Alchemy. Magazine partner Money Life.
Internet Laya